We must defend ourselves. We have prayed. We have prayed. We will continue to pray. We have forgiven. But now we must defend ourselves. We must defend ourselves. We must defend ourselves by whatever means. We must defend ourselves as responsible citizens. We are not irresponsible. The political class that are sponsoring and working with these killers are the irresponsible people. We are responsible citizens, and as responsible citizens, we must, we will, we shall defend our lives. We will, we must, and we shall defend our lives. We will defend our families. We will defend our communities. We will defend our neighborhood. We will do it lawfully, wisely, and resolutely. We are not going to chicken out. We are not going to withdraw. We are marching on. Nigeria must win. Nigerians must win.